Hello everyone, Brian here. Welcome back to Scrap and Scale Workbench. And we are back with a little Red Wagon. Alright, so as you can see, the bodywork is about 98% complete. Still a few minor things I need to do to it, but it's almost there. Now on the chassis, as you can see, I got all the wheel wells done. As far as the engine goes, this is what I have for my design. And the way that's going to go in there, is something like that. I don't know if you'll see it or not, but that's what I have come up with, which I kind of think is kind of cool. It's different. I kind of want the pipes to be upwards, but these are the only pipes I got, and I don't want to heat them up and ruin them, so I'm just going to leave them the way they are. I still have to put that on it. The doors, move this out of the way. I custom made both doors. Took a lot of work and a lot of hours into doing these, each one. But I got both sides. Now I don't know if they're going to be, I haven't decided if I'm going to have them just glued in there fixed, or if they're going to be opening or not. That I don't know yet. I have the gas tank, which I still have to mount. And I believe in one of my last videos or previous videos, I said I was going to show you guys how I make my belts if I'm not using a stock one already pre-molded. So if I'm doing it like this, where it's just the pulleys, then what I do, masking tape, very simple. I just cut a length, usually long. This is just for an example piece. Take it, fold it in half, rub it real good to get it. And there you have it. Then you just trim it to the size you need. And that'll be your belt. And take a black Sharpie and color it with a black Sharpie to make it black. And that'll be your belt. Now on this chassis, I still need to build the front end part right here of the inside. This area right here. This little dip up. Still need to do that for right here. Then obviously I still need to do the inside. I need to custom built dashboard, the steering wheel, the seat. So it's getting there. It's about, I'd say, 85% complete. And also on the body, this part, see here, you can see those or not, but these little bump outs right here at the end, I bumped them out a little farther. So it sits on the back better. But as you can see, the profile of it. So that's the update for the Little Red Wagon. Like, subscribe, share, and leave your comments. And I'll see you guys later.